Hey, what's up you guys? If you're going to be towing a trailer with your Nissan Xterra, you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by the law. So let's go ahead and show you how easy that is. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Alright, so Nissan makes this really easy for us. They have a factory tow harness ready for us to use. It's located right underneath the driver's side frame rail right here. We're going to start by just removing the cap on it. So we have this little tab on the cap that we'll need to push down. It's kind of hard to get, so we're going to use a flathead screwdriver just to pry it off. Now we're going to take our trailer wiring harness and we're just going to plug it right into that. Now we're going to take our 4-flat harness and we're going to route it towards our hitch receiver. Now we're going to just follow this wiring up here. Alright, we're going to bring our 4-flat harness right here next to our receiver. Now we're going to secure it using a 4-flat mounting bracket. This doesn't come with our kit, but you can pick it up at your closest U-Haul center. Now a lot of people will leave it dangling, but if it dangles it can drag on the ground and get damaged. So this will really help give it a nice professional look and keep it secure. We're going to put it right here underneath the bumper. We're just going to drill the first hole using a 3/16 drill bit. And then we'll put our bracket on and we'll secure it using the nut. Then we'll make sure that it's squared and we'll repeat on the second hole. And then we'll tighten it up using a 3/8 socket. Then we'll put our dust cover on, and then we'll put our 4-flat into the bracket. Now we'll take all of our extra slack and we'll go ahead and secure it using some zip ties. Alright, so that wraps up our wiring install. So now you're ready to tow a trailer. So thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.